In today's high-risk work environments, your PPE needs to do more than just meet standards. It has to offer real protection, comfort, and adaptability to keep you safe and working at your best. The new EVO Alta Ascend safety helmet from JSP is engineered to tackle real-world challenges head-on.
The EVO Alta features an ABS shell and an EPP liner, offering all-around impact and penetration protection, ensuring durability and shock absorption. The dual ventilation on the sides and the rear of the EVO Alta keep you cool, reducing internal helmet temperature by 5 to 7 degrees.
Security and comfort aren't compromised either. The new JSP suspension system, featuring a 3D adjustment system, eliminates pressure points while providing a secure and customizable fit for a range of head sizes.
The universal slots allow for seamless attachment of essential accessories like the Sonus earmuffs and the EVO Guard face shields to ensure you're fully equipped on the job. Plus, a unique interchangeable front module allows for further customization with an ID card, company logo, lamp clip or other accessories.
Don't compromise on safety. Ensure you're fully protected with the EVO Alta Ascend safety helmet, engineered for maximum performance and comfort. Visit pipusa.com to learn more about advanced features, discover compatible accessories, and find the perfect fit for your team.